serotonin. She delivers messages to her local nerve cells. Sarah's job is vital for maintaining equilibrium in her home world. Well done, Sarah. Now meet the Catecholamines. There's Nora. Isn't she energetic? And Addie. Perhaps we should go easy on the coffee there. Too much caffeine will make you anxious. Then there's Dopey, looking zen as always. They all work together to keep Mac happy and healthy. Uh-oh, it looks like Mac's been on a bender again, and on a work night. That's life in the fast lane, I guess. Oh dear, it seems like Sarah isn't doing much better herself. That said, welcome to the brainscape. Mac really went above and beyond last night, didn't he? Shall we see what the Catecholamines make of all this? Looks like Dopey is still on vacation. This doesn't bode well for Mac, who's currently running on empty after a long night on the town. Meanwhile, Addie is stuck working a double shift in the control room. Here is where she monitors the state of the brainscape, keeping a close eye out for anomalous activity, ready to respond to any changes in Mac's homeostasis. Steady on, Addie. This is how panic attacks start. Remember last time? Nora's marathon training is not going so well. It's her job to help regulate Mac's cardiovascular system. Come on, Nora. You'll have to work harder than that to impress those nerve cells. What did I tell you? If Sarah doesn't wake up soon, there's going to be big trouble. Oh dear, here comes the panic attack. Addie's fingers are always itching to hit that button. His indulgent lifestyle has really caught up with him. I think it's about time he looked into the causes of his panic attacks. Don't you?